dropped in to see Andy Soos from Bedford CNC. Now, he's known you for a couple of years, looking to take the company to the next level. How are you doing that?
By building a team around us with PSL Datatrack, new accountants, a new coach, social media.
Okay. So really building the empire almost.
Trying to get Bedford CNC to the next level.
Okay, and one of those things, you've got great, I mean, how long have you been in the game, you know?
I've been in the game 40 years.
Okay, so you know your stuff, milling, turning, well, fixed head turning, but you've recently bought, well, about 12, 18 months?
About 18 months ago, we dipped our toes into the sliding head market with the Citizen L20.
Okay. It is a second-hand machine, so you're just dipping your toes in.
Yeah.
How's it been for you?
It's been fantastic. Yeah, it's dead easy to use. A little bit of tricky setting up at the start, but once you get used to setting up the tools, they know where you're going, it's simple.
Yeah, nice and simple. So at the moment you have got a little bit of spare capacity on this machine, so you want some work out there, sliding head parts, so get in contact with Andy, but I think you can make loads of different components. You can run it 24/7.
We could do if we've got the capacity, but we've got spare capacity now, so 24 hours running would be an ideal thing in the future.
Okay, so that's because you've got the 3 metre bar feed, load it up.
Yeah, 3 metre bar feed, so you can load up the bars and let it run.
Okay.
So,
but I think what we need to do is prove the pudding is in the eating. What can you actually make on this machine?
well, we can make several parts, all different sizes, up to 20 mil.
Okay.
So these are a sample of our parts that we've manufactured.
Right, well, just talk us through a couple of them, please, Andy.
It's a mild steel part. It's got a hole that's drilled all the way through. It's got drilled and tapped cross holes so that we can do that on the slider. Then some grooves, which elastic, a little band goes around there to drive it once it's attached to the spindle. This one is aluminium. It's got an M4 tapped hole in the end, and it's knurled, and it was done all in one go. So turned, and the machine is very accurate for parallel.
Okay, so no run out there in terms because of slider, and a lot of material removal and a very long part, but no issues there.
No issues at all. It's aluminium. It was very good, very quick. Customers well happy with what we've done.
Okay. Now, if you've got any parts like those as an example, or turn parts, get in contact with you, and with the help of PSL Datatrack, you can get a quote out in
minutes now.
So you can get the parts out in seconds, the quotes out in minutes. Anything else?
No, just any parts that we can quote for, we'll be quite happy to do so.
There you go. So anything like that. Andy Soos, Bedford CNC and the team. Andy, thank you very much.
Thank you.